Hello and welcome! Today I will be making another pair of scrap clay earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it! I will be using this green, blue, purple, and white colored scrap clay, this gold, blue, and white scrap clay, and this purple, white, and gold leaf scrap clay. Chop up each pile of scrap clay separately. Don't chop them up too finely, otherwise your pieces will come out all muddy looking. Once you have all your piles chopped up, take your first color and pull out a little bit, I would say about 1/3 of the pile, and form it into a ball. And then roll it out into a log shape. With the remainder of the pile, arrange the pieces how you want them to look, and then start pushing the pieces together. Try and push out all the air bubbles. Use an acrylic roller to flatten your piece. Be sure to flip it over and roll the other side too. Try and roll it out into a long rectangular shape. You want it to be the same width as your rolled out piece. Repeat with your other two colors. These are mine when I'm done. Choose a solid color that goes good with your pieces. I would suggest a more neutral color. Roll it out. You want it to be very thin. If you have a pasta machine, use that. I would say 3 notches up from the thinnest setting. Lay one of your rolled out pieces on it, and then cut around it. Repeat with your other two colors. Mix and match your rolled up log shaped clay with the flat rolled out clay. There is no rhyme or reason to how you lay it out, just whatever color combinations you think look the best. I think these look nice together. Wrap your flat clay around your rolled up log clay. Cut off any excess clay. Repeat with your other two colors. Roll out each color into a long log shape. Trim up the ends and cut off the excess clay. If you found anything helpful in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I do post videos twice a week, every Tuesday and Thursday. Also, if you have any earring ideas, please drop it in the comments below. I do read them and would love to hear your suggestions. Cut each log into thirds. We'll leave one group its original size. Take another group and roll it out so it's slightly thinner and longer. Repeat with the other two in that group. With the third group, you're going to roll it out a little bit thinner than the second group. Repeat with the last two in that group. You should have 3 groups. 1 large, 1 medium, and 1 small group. Cut up each group into different sections. Now bunch them all together, doing different sizes and different colors beside each other, just randomly placed together. Now gently push in the sides and flatten the top. You want to do this very slowly and gradually so that you do not distort the shape. Basically what I'm wanting to do is make this flatter and not so thick. You could also use a roller to lightly flatten it. Be sure to roll in different directions so that the shape does not become distorted. Be sure to flip it over often and do the same with the other side. This is about as thick as I want it. Pick out the side that's more appealing to you. I do like the purple and mossy green look this has, with the hints of gold in it. I think I like this side the best. Cut out the shape. I'm using this paper that I cut. You can use shape cutters if you would like. Once you have your shapes cut out, smooth down the edges. Be sure to flip it over and do the other side too. Poke a hole at the top of your piece for the jump ring. Be sure to go through the front and through the back. You could also do this after you bake it. I just don't have the tools for that, and I know that some of you may not either. Repeat with the second one, and then bake and resin your pieces. To assemble my earrings, I'm using 2 jump rings, 1 large and 1 small, and an earring hook. I love the way these turned out. I love the color and the patterns. I like how the circle pattern is formed by the contrasting colors. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye!